how to share Instagram story to Facebook. Now, let's say we want to share someone else's Instagram story to our Facebook feed. All we have to do is to go to our Instagram app right here. And let's say we want to share this specific story to our Facebook post right there. Now, all we have to do to share this specific story is to tap on this airplane button right here and click on Facebook option on the lower corner right here. After that, we will be redirected to our Facebook feed, and now we can write a caption as to what we want to say about this specific Instagram story. We can also tag someone else to this specific Instagram story. We can add emotion or feeling to it. We can add location if we want to. And once we're done, all we have to do is to tap on post right here in order for us to officially share this Instagram story to Facebook. So we just have to click on post right here. And if we want to check right here on our Facebook, we will be able to see that the Instagram story successfully shared to our Facebook account. So that's how to share Instagram story to Facebook. Hope we help.